The rusted object, designated only as an unknown model, shows significant corrosion and heavy barnacle buildup.
We still don't know where it came from, or how long it has been rusting on the ocean floor.
All right, tension on the main line. Easy now. Starboard side secure, ready to lift. Cable 1 secured, moving to cable 2.
Copy that. Adjusting stabilization lines now.
Rigging is green, standing by for lift command.
All right, team, begin the ascent sequence. Maintain stability.
The extraction process begins. Specialized heavy lift cranes are now carefully raising the artifact from the containment pool.
Hold steady on the left side. All right, bringing it forward now, very slow.
It's loose. Get ready to take the weight.
I've got it.
On 3. 1, 2, lift.
Okay, push it up slightly on your side. How does that look? Yeah. It's perfectly aligned, ready for the tack weld.
Airlace. Unalloy.
Pressure assurance and
Utilizing advanced milling, the Team 5 access the
We're carefully torquing the bolts on the propulsion manifold. Maintaining the factory specifications on this unknown alloy is critical for reassembly. With the restoration complete, the final stage involves applying the original iconography to the unknown vessel.
All right, lift the propulsion unit into position. Holding it steady. Securing the bolts now, right there. Clean. approved for sealing. Panel alignment looks good here.
Checklist is complete. Systems are green across the board.
Ready for power-up sequence when you are?
The restored craft, designated only as unknown model, demonstrates the incredible power researchers have managed to unlock.
The culmination of years of dedicated work, the restored craft ascends, its origins still shrouded in mystery.
The contrast is stark. Decades of atmospheric corrosion on the left, and the meticulous work of the restoration team on the right.
What a transformation. Runs like new. The finish came out perfect.
Look at the craftsmanship on that hull. When will it be flight tested?
The restoration team did an incredible job preserving the interior.
As you can see, the restoration process was extensive, utilizing previously unknown materials.
Captured in stunning 4K, the restored craft soars effortlessly over coastlines and mountain ranges, defying conventional aerodynamics.
The restored craft unleashes its full potential. Accelerating rapidly, it ascends toward the upper atmosphere.
We did it! It looks amazing! Great job, everyone. Keep pushing, steady now. Is that centered yet? A little more to the left? Okay, hold it right there. Perfect.
For the first time in history, we reveal the impossible. The restored craft is now on display.
I can't believe I'm seeing this in person. It's incredible. The detail on the hull is amazing.
Restoring this craft has redefined our understanding of engineering. It stands now as a testament to what's truly possible, a bridge between worlds.
The restored UFO, unknown model, year unknown, stands as the centerpiece of this groundbreaking exhibition.
The hull looks pristine. Make sure the plaque is centered. Almost there. This lighting really captures the detail.
I can't believe they actually restored it.
Look at the details on the cockpit dome. It's incredible.
Yours. The history of this craft is fascinating, especially the power source here.
Yeah.
Absolutely. The restoration work on the propulsion system.
This unknown model presented unique challenges. The hull is unlike anything we've studied.
This is incredible! Look at the shiny surface! Do you think it can still fly? I wonder where it came from.
The restoration of this magnificent craft represents a triumph of human ingenuity.
Indeed, and we thank
I can't believe they managed to restore it to this condition.
The craftsmanship is absolutely stunning up close.
Restored after decades of secrecy, the unknown craft finally takes its place in history.
The journey to restore this incredible craft was filled with unprecedented challenges, but standing here today,
Look at the plating here. The restoration is flawless.
Yeah.
How did they even begin to restore the propulsion system?
They used the schematics mentioned over there.
You can feel the texture here where it was repaired.
Remarkable. Absolutely remarkable craftsmanship.
This restored UFO represents one of the greatest mysteries of our time. The journey to restore this unknown model.
The craftsmanship on this thing is unbelievable.
It's surreal seeing it fully restored.
I wonder where it's headed next.
It's finally complete. A true piece of history.
The detail is absolutely stunning up close.
I still can't believe we got the stabilization matrix online.
We need to address the power coupling issues before we proceed with the hull plating.
Agreed. Safety first on this stage.
When we analyze the alloys, we realize they defy our current understanding of physics. This changes everything.
Exactly. The cultural implications alone are staggering.
The restoration process took years. Piece by piece, we uncovered its secrets, culminating in...
The molecular structure at this seam doesn't match any known alloy.
We need to run a level 3 spectral analysis on this section immediately.